Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Actually, up to now, I uploaded 6 lectures on kinematics. So this is 7th lecture on this kinematics chapter. So for this last 6 lectures, I discussed fundamentals about this kinematics. Now, I would like to discuss some more example problems on concept distance and displacement. So I am taking one problem here. This is example number 7. Observe carefully. What is example number 7 here? A body moves 6 meters north, 8 meters east and 10 meters vertically upwards. So here what is given data ma? Given data, a body moves 6 meters north, 6 meters north. Next, 8 meters east, 8 meters east. First it moves north, 8 meters east, 10 meters vertically upwards. So these are the three. So what we need to find here? Resultant displacement. Resultant displacement. We need to find resultant displacement. Right? So this is origin I consider. Origin O. 6 meters north. First I take map here. North, south, east, west. First what they given? 6 meters north direction. That means north means this direction. 6 meters north. 6 meters north. 8 meters east. 8 meters east. 8 meters east here. 10 meters vertically upward. Vertically upward means this direction. Vertically upward means this direction. What is this? Z-axis direction. So this will be represented in like this. 10 meters vertically upward means like this direction. So this is vertically upward. So this is north direction. First it will be moving north direction, east direction and vertically upward direction. This is north direction, east direction, vertically upward direction, vertically upward direction. This is here we represented like vertical upward direction, like z-axis direction. So this is the movement for this body. How can we represent here? Let us consider this is origin. So this can be represented as a position vector r bar. Position vector r bar. The displacement will be represented as position vector r bar. Some vectors are represented in a plane like a coordinates x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. That vector is called position vector. So here r bar is a position vector. How can we represent here? So this is x-axis, this is y-axis, x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. So x-axis is indicated by I cap, y-axis is indicated by j cap, z-axis is indicated by k cap. So k cap vector. So r bar is equal to, so first one is 8 meter x-axis, 8 I cap, 6 meter y-axis, 6 j cap, 10 meters vertically upward means nothing but z-axis. Vertically upward means in 3 dimension like this. How can we represent it in graph here? Z-axis direction. So z-axis direction, this is a 10 k cap. For x-axis we indicated by vector I cap. For y-axis we indicated by j cap. For z-axis indicated by k cap here. So the position vector r bar is equal to, that means resultant vector r bar is equal to 8 I cap, 6 j cap plus 10 k cap. What do you want here? Resultant displacement. Resultant displacement is nothing but magnitude we need to find here. Magnitude. How we find magnitude? R bar modulus. For example, if any vector if any vector like this a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap like this is given. So how to find magnitude here? Magnitude is indicated by modulus ma. So vector has both magnitude and direction. So how can we find magnitude here? Magnitude is indicated by modulus. Magnitude is equal to square root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means I cap coefficient whole square, j cap coefficient whole square plus k cap coefficient whole square. This is a magnitude. Magnitude of r bar. Magnitude of r bar. So like this we indicate. Here magnitude of r bar is equal to resultant displacement. Resultant displacement is equal to resultant displacement. Resultant displacement is equal to magnitude of r bar is equal to square root of 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square. So then we got square root of 64. 8 square means 64. 6 square means 36. 10 square means 100. So total 64 plus 36 plus 100. 64 plus 6, 70. 70 plus 30, 100. So what we got? 100 plus 100, 200. How can we represent 200? 200 is represented as 10 root 2. 10 root 2 meters. So resultant displacement is, the resultant displacement covered by body is 10 root 2 meters. So listen students, again I recapitulate this question once. 6 meters north, 8 meters east, 10 meters vertically upwards. The body will be moves these three. So how can we represent? 6 meters north, nothing but your y-axis direction. 8 meters east means x-axis direction. 10 meters vertically upward means z-axis direction. In case of x-axis we indicate by I cap, y-axis indicated by j cap, z-axis is indicated by k cap or k bar vector. So for example, r bar is indicated by 8 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 10 k cap. So then this will be how to find magnitude I already told. So if any vector a I cap plus b j cap plus c k cap, we indicate resultant magnitude formula square root of a square plus b square plus c square. So that means here 8 square plus 6 square plus 10 square, we got root 200. Root 200 means 10 root 2. That means resultant displacement is 10 root 2 meters. So then we discuss next problem after a few minutes. Well, to continuing my lecture on motion in straight line or motion in one dimension chapter, problems on distance and displacement. Already we discussed 6 example problems on distance and displacement topic. Now I would like to discuss 7th example here. So what is 7th example? Sorry, 8th example. Already we discussed 7 examples. Right, 8th example. A man goes 30 meters towards north, then 20 meters towards east, and finally 30 root 2 meters in southwest direction. The displacement of the person from the origin will be, again I repeat students, a man goes 30 meters towards north. First 30 meters towards north, then 20 meters towards east, 20 meters towards east, then 30 root 2 meters southwest, 30 root 2 meters in southwest direction, southwest direction, southwest direction. Then what we need to find here? The displacement of the person from the origin. Displacement of the person. I underline the sentence. What we need to find? Displacement of the person from the origin will be. That we need to find here. So this is a given data. So here given 3 options. 10 meter along north. Option B 10 meters along south. Option C 10 meters along west. Option D 0. So we need to solve this question, and which option is correct we have to check it. So now 30 meters north. So first of all, map I consider. This is north direction, south direction. Whenever like this problems are given, first you draw map here. So north, south, this direction is what? East, west, right? So 30 meters north direction, 30 meters north direction. This is origin I consider, origin I consider O. 30 meters north, upside or not? So because map is like this, north, east, west, south. 30 meters north direction, 30 meters north direction. This is 30 meters I consider. 30 meters I consider. 30 meters north direction. And 20 meters east direction. Then, so we move from here to here 30 meters north direction. Again, east direction means which direction, ma? So this is the east direction. So how many meters here? 20 meters. 20 meters east direction. 20 meters east direction. 30 meters north direction. 20 meters east direction. Then 30 root 2 meters southwest direction. What is southwest direction? This is south direction. This is west direction. Southwest direction means this is southwest direction. This is southeast direction. This is northeast direction. This is northwest direction. Is it or not? So what they given in the question? Then it moves 30 root 2 meters southwest direction. Southwest direction means between south and west is called southwest direction. Between south and west. Please listen students here carefully. Between south and west is called southwest direction. Exactly 45 degrees. So southwest direction is exactly 45 degrees it makes with west. 45 degrees it makes with south. So north, so it will move 30 root to southwest direction. Southwest direction it will move. So right. So now this is moves southwest direction. This is southwest direction. Is it or not? So again I draw neatly. This is north. This is east. This is west. This is south. This direction is called southwest direction. This southwest direction is between south and west. The direction is called southwest direction. Between south and east, direction is called southeast direction. Between north and east is called northeast direction. Northeast direction. Between west and north is called northwest direction. Northwest direction. Here body moves 30 root 2 meters in southwest direction. Southwest direction means this direction body will move. It makes exactly 45 degrees with the west, 45 degrees with the south. This is very important, right? So now 45 degrees with the west it will mix. So now this is origin O I consider. This is A I consider. This is B I consider. This is C I consider. So then what he asking in the question? The displacement of the person from the origin will be displacement of the person. What is meant by displacement here? The shortest path between initial and final position. So what is initial position here? He start from origin. So this is origin now. So origin is indicated here. Oh, he start from origin. Where he ends here? He ends at C. So the shortest path between initial and final position is called displacement. So OC is called here displacement. OC is, we need to find what ma here? OC we need to find. OC bar. OC we need to find. OC we need to find. This is equal to here displacement. 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 Because the shortest path between initial and final position. Origin is initial position here. Origin is initial position here. So C is called here final position. So distance between initial and final position is called displacement. So OC is equal to displacement here. How to find OC here? OC bar vector. So for finding OC bar here, so simply I write here. I think you all wrote this one. So I use it to rub this one. because I need some space. Right. So OC we need to find. Here OC is nothing but here displacement. OC is equal to OC bar is equal to, how we got here? OA, generally AB can be written as AB bar is equal to OA bar plus OB bar. OA bar plus OB bar is equal to here AB bar. And again here OA plus AB is equal to, so then OC is equal to, OC bar is equal to, what we got here from this, OC bar is equal to OA plus AB, OA plus AB AC bar is equal to OA plus AB, OA plus AB plus BC. So how can we write? Observe carefully here. Simple thing. OA plus OB is equal to AB bar can be written as, I already told, OA plus OB. So this OA plus OB refers to what? This OA plus OB refers to OB bar. And again plus BC bar. So this plus this BC bar. Again these two will be eliminated here. We got OC bar. So simple thing here. Don't panic. I'll again tell this one. Simple logic here. Simple logic. Observe carefully. OA bar plus AB bar. This A going to be cancelled. What we got final resultant here? OB bar. That means OB bar is indicated as, OB bar is equal to OA bar plus AB bar. OA bar plus AB bar, because this AA going to be cancelled. What we got? OB bar. That means OB bar is indicated as, OB bar vector is indicated as OA bar plus AB bar. This AA going to be cancelled here. What we got here? OB bar. Again this OC bar is indicated here, OB bar plus BC bar. That means BB going to be cancelled. This BB going to be cancelled. What we got? OC bar. This is very important, friends. OB bar is indicated as OA bar plus AB bar. OC bar is indicated as OB bar plus BC bar. Because AA going to be cancelled, just remove whatever the like terms here. AA is common here. These two are removed. What we got? OB. This BB is common here. What we got here? OC. From this two, what we got? OA plus AB. We got OB bar. This OB bar plus BC bar. This BB going to be eliminated. What we got? OC bar. That means here OC is equal to, how we write? OC bar is equal to, OC bar vector is equal to OA bar plus AB bar plus BC bar. This is a displacement vector. Because this is OC bar now. OC bar is displacement vector. What we need to find here? Magnitude we need to find. OA bar. How we write OA bar here? OA bar is equal to, so OA bar is equal to, this is represent what now? What direction here? This is y-axis direction, is it or not? Positive y-axis. OA is positive y-axis direction. So that means it can be represented as, positive y-axis means, I already told, x-axis is indicated as I cap, y-axis is indicated as J cap, z-axis is indicated as K cap. These are positive x-axis. If whether it is negative x-axis is indicated as minus I cap. Negative y-axis is indicated as minus J cap. Negative z-axis is indicated as minus K cap. This is very important. X-axis is indicated as I cap, y-axis is indicated as J cap, z-axis is indicated as K cap, negative x-axis is minus I cap, negative y-axis is minus J cap, negative z-axis is minus K cap. Right here, OA is positive y-axis or not? Because it is origin. Origin means 0, 0 here. So this is positive y-axis. Positive y-axis is indicated as J cap. So how much it is? 30. That means 30 j cap. 30 j cap. That means next AB bar. AB bar is what direction it is? This is x-axis direction. Positive x-axis direction. Positive x-axis direction. Observe carefully, ma'am. So already we know. This is positive x-axis. Positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is negative y-axis. So according to graph, so this direction, east direction is moving. East direction is moving, positive x-axis. West direction is moving, negative x-axis. South direction is moving, negative y-axis. North direction is moving, positive y-axis. This is very important. That means here AB means east direction, because it is this direction and this direction, this direction. That means this is west direction it is moving. So AB means east direction. East direction means positive x-axis. Positive x-axis means 30. So what is this? 20 meters. That means 20 I cap. 20 I cap. This OA bar value we got, AB bar value we got. What is BC bar? So BC bar value how we got? This is very important. So for finding BC is moves. BC is moves in southwest direction. It made an angle 45 degrees. It made an angle 45 degrees. This BC, whenever one vector is made an angle, that will be split into two components. This is very important. Whenever one vector made an angle, this is a vector, it made an angle some 45 degrees. So how can it split? It split into, resolve into two components. So we had one concept, resolution of vectors. Whenever one vector is there, it resolves into two components. Horizontal component, vertical component. Whenever it made an angle, some angle like a 45 degrees, 30 degrees, like an angle is made, it split into two components. For example, this is U means U cos 45 degrees. Angle made, side is taken 40, that cos. This side is, remaining side is taken sine. This is very important. Angle which side it will make, which direction it will make, that will take cos. So what remaining it will take sine. That means here this BC will be split into two components. So this will be split into two components. How it will be split into two components? This is BC na, generally this BC. So this is split into two components. This is one component, this is another component. Because this is 45 degrees it will made. So what is this? I take here resultant is 30 root 2. So this is 30 root 2. Then what we got? 30 root 2 sine 45. I already told what is angle made, that will be taken as cos. 30 root 2 cos 45 degrees. 30 root 2 sine 45 degrees. Now direction is important. What is this direction? Direction is west direction. West direction means negative x-axis. This is very important. This is west direction. That means minus 30 root 2 cos 45 we consider. So because it is what direction it is? West direction. West direction it is. West direction. And it is what here? South direction. In south direction, what we consider south direction? South direction minus negative y-axis. This is negative y-axis. That means we consider here minus 30 root 2 sine 45 degrees. That means how we got BC bar here? BC bar is equal to minus 30 root 2 cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees. What is this? X-axis, negative x-axis. That's why I cap, minus I cap. And again this is downside, south. That means here negative y-axis, minus 30 root 2 sine 45 degrees j cap. Sine 45 degrees j cap here. So then here what we got here? 1 by root 2. Because cos 45 value, cos 45 and sine 45 value. Cos 45 degrees is equal to sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. That means 1 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 going to be cancelled. What we got here? Minus 30 I cap. Here root 2 going to be cancelled. Here also we got minus 30 j cap. So BC bar vector we got minus 30 I cap. Minus 30 j cap. Finally what we need to find? OC bar we need to find. So we find here OA, we find here AB, we find here BC. So this BC is how we find. it made an angle 45 degrees because it moves in southwest direction. It resolved into two components. One is minus 30 root 2 cos 45. Another one is minus 30 root 2 sin 45. What angle it made, the direction is taken as cos. The remaining is taken as sine. So this is resolved into two components. Whenever one vector made an angle, that will be resolved into two components. This is very important. So now how to find OC bar here? For finding OC, so simple thing here. So OC bar is equal to what we know, OA bar plus AB bar plus BC bar, right? OA bar is equal to what, ma? OA bar is equal to what we got? 30 J cap. So AB bar is equal to what we got? 20 I cap we got. BC bar is equal to what we got? Minus 30 I cap, minus 30 J cap we got. This is very important. 30 J cap minus 30 J cap going to be cancelled. So from this, plus 20 I cap minus 30 I cap. From this, we got minus 10 I cap. OC bar is equal to what we got? Minus 10 I cap. Minus 10 I cap. What is this means? OC bar means 10 meters. Direction is, how to find magnitude, ma? Magnitude means OC bar magnitude is equal to, here only one vector, minus 10 whole square. So square root cancel, root 100, we got 10 meters. Magnitude of OC bar. The displacement is what we got? 10 meters. So magnitude is what we got here. Magnitude of OC bar, displacement magnitude is 10 meters. We got direction. Which direction it is? Minus I cap. I already told. Observe here. Observe here carefully. Minus I cap. Minus I cap means, plus I cap means east direction. East direction indicates plus I cap direction, because positive x-axis. East means positive x-axis. West means negative x-axis. Is it or not? Negative x-axis. So otherwise you observe the graph here. O to C, which direction? O to C, we move from moving from this direction. This direction is what here? According to graph. What is this? According to graph, this is north direction, this is south direction, this is east direction, this is west direction. So we move from O to C means what direction it is? West direction, it is west direction. So minus I cap means west direction. So that means 10 meters towards west direction. This is very important. East means plus I cap we got. So simple thing, ma. Observe here. Positive y-axis means plus j cap. North means plus j cap. North means plus j cap we got. South means minus j cap we got. East means plus I cap we got. West means minus I cap we got. This is very important. So we are indicating like this. Here we got answer is minus 10 I cap. Minus 10 minus indicates minus I cap indicates west. So resultant displacement is 10 meters magnitude and the direction is towards west. 10 meters along west. So option C is correct here. I think you are all understood this lecture. If you had any doubt regarding this, regarding splitting of vector, if you had any doubt, please mention in comment box. I'll explain the detail, some more detail in further lectures. So thank you.